is a giant flaming furnace with a conveyor belt leading towards it. Pull the lever.
Oh, there it goes.
This is not your money, this is test money. In a moment, this conveyor belt will start slowly dropping your money into this fiery furnace. Behind your knee, you're gonna see an axe. You're gonna use that axe to break your coffin, somehow traverse through all this mulch and turn that lever off, which will then stop the conveyor belt, AKA stopping your money from burning. Now, Carl, turn it off.
Okay.